The unsung hero of power plants, the drag chain conveyor. Imagine a coal-fired power plant. It's a colossal humming machine that provides the electricity we use every day. We all understand the basics. Coal gets burned to create steam, which spins a turbine to generate power. But what happens to the massive amount of ash left behind? It's not just a little pile of dust. It's a huge, constant stream of material that needs to be managed flawlessly. This is where the Submerged Drag Chain Conveyor, or SCC, comes in. Think of it as the ultimate janitor for the boiler's dirtiest job. This isn't a high-tech robot or a flashy piece of gear. It's a workhorse, a tough, armored conveyor belt that operates continuously, mostly out of sight, to collect what's known as bottom ash. This ash, the heavy, solid remnants of burned coal, falls directly into a water-filled hopper right at the bottom of the furnace. This water bath is crucial because it does two things. It rapidly cools the super hot ash and it creates a seal that prevents air from leaking into the boiler, which would disrupt combustion. The SCC then uses a series of heavy-duty metal flights attached to a powerful chain to scrape the submerged ash along the bottom of the trough. This process is the backbone of the entire ash management system, ensuring the boiler floor stays clear and the plant can operate without interruption. Built for extreme conditions. The drag chain conveyor's design is a perfect example of form following function. The drag chain part of the name tells you exactly what it does. It literally drags material along a path. The submerged part is equally important. When that bottom ash drops from the boiler, it's still incredibly hot, sometimes glowing red. Dropping it directly into a water bath instantly quenches it, turning it from a potential fire hazard into a manageable wet sludge. This wet process also plays a critical role in safety and environmental control by significantly reducing the spread of fine dust particles. The chain and flights of the SCC are built to withstand an onslaught of heat, abrasion, and corrosion. They are typically made from specialized, hardened materials because regular steel would simply wear out in no time. As the chain rotates, it pulls the mixture of ash and water up a gentle incline. As it moves up, the excess water drains back down into the hopper, and the dewatered ash is then discharged at the top of the conveyor. From there, it's ready for the next step in its journey, whether that's to a storage silo or a transport truck. More than just waste management. The work of the SCC goes far beyond simply cleaning up after the boiler. It's a vital part of a plant's overall efficiency and environmental strategy. If the bottom ash were allowed to accumulate, it would block the airflow needed for combustion, causing the boiler to lose efficiency and potentially leading to a complete shutdown. By continuously clearing this material, the SCC helps maintain optimal operating conditions. But what happens to all that ash once it's been collected and dewatered? For many years, it was simply considered waste and sent to landfills. However, in recent decades, we've gotten much smarter about how we handle this byproduct. The bottom ash collected by the SCC is now often repurposed, or utilized as a valuable resource. It can be used as an aggregate in concrete mixes, a base material for road construction, or a key ingredient in cement manufacturing. This practice of ash utilization is a major step forward for the power industry, turning what was once a liability into a sustainable asset, a silent partner in sustainability. The submerged drag chain conveyor is a testament to how seemingly simple, robust engineering can have a profound impact. It doesn't get the headlines like a massive turbine or a new solar farm, but without it, the entire system would grind to a halt. It's the essential link that connects the energy production process with responsible waste management and sustainability. By efficiently handling and preparing the bottom ash, the SCC enables the beneficial reuse of a significant industrial byproduct. This not only reduces the need for landfill space, but also cuts down on the demand for virgin raw materials in the construction industry. So the next time you think about the complex network that powers your life, remember the hardworking drag chain conveyor, silent partner that ensures our energy production is not only powerful, but also a little bit cleaner.